What's going on, guys? TTorres back here for another video. So in today's video we are going to be going to a car show. This is the first ever car show that the Type R has ever been in, so I'm super excited. I just got done washing the car, got her all nice and cleaned up. Man, my favorite thing is I love tire shine. She is looking mint, looking good. Man, I'm telling you what, ceramic coating your car makes a world of difference whenever it comes to washing your car. I literally washed my car and put a little coat of wax on it in less than 30 minutes. I mean, and all I do is take the leaf blower to it and it just dries it right off. But anyways, let's head to the car show and yeah, let's post up and go see some rides. I'm super excited. Alright guys, we finally made it to the car show. As you can see, the Type R looks super good. We somehow got parked by a nice little Audi. Talked to the kid earlier. If you guys are interested in checking out his content, go check him out. But yeah, Type R is looking good. Everybody is enjoying the paint. I absolutely love it. Under the engine bay. And let's go walk around and take a look at some of the other cars that we have here. Nice one. Nice little truck. Another beautiful ride. Chevy 2. Another nice little ride. Yeah, this one's stunning. Very nice. Check this out. Sorry the music's loud here. This thing's a freaking beast. Here's a nice little Yoda. Check this bad boy out. It's good. I almost got these wheels for my truck. This thing's super clean, man. I love the paint job too, of course. Super nice truck. It's funny. Nice truck. There's a bunch of Mustangs, Corvettes, Tesla Model X. There's another Type R. Let me take you over to the Type R that me and Zach did all the powder coating. He helped me install all the power mods. We did all the powder coating, intercooler, charge pipes, turbo inlet, elbow, and the downpipe. Good looking ride. Sweet looking ride. I never even watched it, man. It's a nice Type R. I've never seen a i8 in person. It looks pretty sweet. Love the color. It's freaking sharp. Okay, so we are about to do a sort of like a little interview with the owner of the Deadpool car, and I'm going to let him take it away and tell us a little bit about his project and build.
Yeah, man. All right, so this is my first interview. Shout out to TTorres, man. All right, so I'm friends, man. I drive the 2021. This is the 2021 Cadillac. Some of y'all may know me on YouTube, the Jamaican Boy. Yeah, man. Right now we're currently at a car show, and here goes the music stops. Yeah, so yeah, man. Right now we're set up right now. So, what some of the mods?
Sure.
Just like some of the obvious mods is, you know, I've done the Lambo door on the car. You know, did that myself. Got the Deadpool decal on it. To the front, we got engine bay, all this stuff, hydro dip. Did that myself. Got the lights in there, headlights, light trends. All the lights are from light trends and all that. So, you know, it's just something simple, man. Nothing real crazy. Yeah, we got like the condensation with the heat and all that is getting in there, but yeah, man, it's
And if they want to check you out, your Instagram.
My Instagram, yeah, Deadpool_6.4.
And then what did you say your?
My YouTube is the Jamaican Boy.
Okay.
His boy is BWOY.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Do a lot of my car build, like all this stuff you can see on this car I've done myself, and that's on my YouTube from putting the wide body kit on there to the Lambo doors to, I mean, anything that you can see on this car, I've done it myself, and it's on there.
Yeah, very
To the
beautiful.
Trunk, yeah. Got the Deadpool wrap in there too.
Oh, that's sharp.
Yeah, man. Got the Deadpool on the, you know, fire extinguisher. So
That's sweet.
yeah, we got the Deadpool in the back. I don't know if you saw that, but in the middle of the seat.
Oh no, I didn't see that. Check that out, y'all.
It's just like real small details, man. Like even the shark fin. You know,
yeah,
it's just
I see
that
that.
shark teeth. I mean, but you know, it's just real small details that I come up with, and I just do it to the car. Trying not to have it go outrageous where it's too much. Like I have the hydro dip right here. You know, and it's like some of the details. If I don't show you, you don't see it. You know, so
Yeah, I definitely didn't notice it
yeah.
when I was walking
yeah, man,
around the
I
car.
got it right here too. So it's
Cool.
just,
And then, hey, if you guys are interested in the guy's build, he'll have, this is his Instagram, and I will link his YouTube channel down below. Thanks for
man,
the interview,
appreciate it,
man.
man.
Take it easy,
Thanks,
brother.
I'll definitely.
Definitely another one of my favorites. Check this beautiful Buick out. God, I would love to drive this thing. Old Grand National. Who doesn't like a good old Grand National? Damn, this thing is sweet. Freaking mint condition. Damn, that thing is nice.
All right, so this is my 1967 VW Beetle. When I got the car, I actually really didn't like the car. It was too clean for me. So I met a gentleman online on Facebook. His name is Corey Watts. And he did all the artwork, did all the rust, all the patina, and then I eventually just clear coated it, and that was it.
That's one of my favorite parts is the clear coat over over the patina. I think it looks super good.
I appreciate it.
So it's obviously got air.
Yeah, it's air ride all the way around.
Okay, cool. And how did you acquire this?
I'm a huge Volkswagen nerd.
Yeah.
So I was looking, I kind of got hustled out of a guy in Colorado, and so I got discouraged. I found one on the Samba in Tampa. I'm like, okay, this has got to be. It was a 67, and I paid $6,700 for it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it was kind of like it was meant to be with me.
How many owners?
It was the original owner.
Okay, wow.
Okay.
Damn, this thing's so nice.
It was kind of, I don't know. It was one of those things. Like I said, when I first got it, I hated the car.
Yeah.
I hated the color. It was like this.
Well, I mean, now you made it unique. It's yours.
Yeah.
I absolutely love it. I think it's absolutely sick.
I appreciate it. Yeah, you can open it up, take a look, poke around.
Oh yeah, man, this is super sweet.
That'd be a fun.
So this is a 1959 Chevy El Camino. This was a one-owner car. My dad bought this brand new off the showroom floor. And of course, he left it to me. And so I'm taking it to the shows, and I made a promise to him before he passed that I would take it to the shows and we would have some fun with it. And he's in the car with me, and we go to shows now and have fun.
So tell me a little bit about the motor. I know we talked a little bit off camera.
Yes, the motor is actually out of a race car that he had, and the motor is a stock car motor out of one of his late model engines. My dad was the bomb with building engines, and we used to race. We raced many different places and won, and so he put the race car in it and made it a hot rod.
And then let's take a look at the some of the trophies that you've won.
Absolutely.
And you and your husband were telling me you guys travel all over, kind of like the Panhandle, Alabama area for doing car shows.
Yes, we are, and the trophies here are trophies that my father had a race car, and Wayne Rudiman was his driver, one of his drivers, and we were in a stock car alliance called United Stock Car Alliance, USA, and we were points champions, and we traveled all over the state of Florida, and we raced. I worked on the race car, I was part of the pit crew, and these are just a snippet of some of the trophies, the point you're in trophies. So I, wanted to bring them out because this is our story. This is what we did.
That's awesome. That's amazing. Hey, and then high five. Thank you for sharing your story with us. Beautiful car.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, guys, we're about to leave the car show. I did enter my car in the car show, but The Auburn, Georgia game is about to kick off, so I'm about to head back to the house. There was so many awesome and cool cars here. I wish I could show them all to you, but there's just so many. So I picked out a few people that were willing to do an interview, and we did that. But it was great to get out into the car community and just talk to people about their builds and their passion. And a lot of people loved the color of the car. They loved everything about it. Met some really cool people. Some people did recognize me from my Instagram and YouTube stuff, so that was really cool. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We usually do like install type of videos on this channel, but we didn't do that today. I decided to wash the car up this morning and take it to a car show, so it turned out really good. And if you guys are watching this video that ran into me at the car show or met me, it was really great meeting all you guys. And yep, if you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, leave this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.